Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurina Binti Mustafa. My ID number is DFI 2207027. Today, I want to talk about mobile app development. So, this is the content. Introduction, type of mobile app development, native app, web app, hybrid app, and mobile app development life cycle. Alright, for the introduction, mobile application development is the process of making software for the smartphone, tablets, and digital assistant for devices, most commonly for the Android and iOS operating system. The software can be pre-installed on the device, downloaded from a mobile app store, or accessed through a mobile web browser. The programming and markup language used for this kind of software development include JavaScript, Swift, C++, C, and HTML5. Okay, type of mobile apps development. Okay, we have three types of mobile app development, which is native app, web app, and hybrid app. Okay, what is native app? Native app is ones that are developed for a particular platform using the programming language and tools that are platform specific. So, what is web app? Web app is created using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which run within a web browser on a mobile device. Okay. So what are hybrid apps? The hybrid app is the combine both native and web-based app features and are developed using a combination of native coding and web technologies. Okay. Next, we have native app development. The term native app suggests an app you can download and install on your device. A native mobile app is developed specifically for a mobile device. The term native app, native mobile app, and a mobile app are often used interchangeably to refer to the same type of software. So this is the platform-specific programming language. Okay, so for iOS is Swift, Python, and Objective-C. Android, Kotlin, and Java. For Windows Phone is C++ and .NET. Next, this is an example of native apps. Like we have gaming app, whatever gaming app you can download, and Instagram like social app, Instagram, Facebook, what else? TikToks. Okay, so this one is sticky note apps. We also have that already inside our phone, which is folder, image, photos. So all of that is a native apps. So for the next slide, we have native app advantages and disadvantages. For the advantages, native app is access to device specific features, no internet connection needed, impressive user experience on Android and iOS, the most responsive option. Lastly, efficiency driven by platform specific features. For the disadvantages, firstly, higher development costs. Maintenance can be complicated. Lastly, native apps tend to be less discoverable than web or hybrid apps. Next slide, we have web app development. The term web app indicates an app you can access from the browsers of a desktop or mobile device. Web apps run of single code base and use languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Ruby. There are also such category which is called progression web apps, PWAs. PWAs are web-based applications that work on different platforms and devices. PWAs are accessed through a web browser and provide an app-like experience with offline functionality and the ability to send push notifications. Next, we have web app advantages and disadvantages. For the advantages is easy discoverability, faster development time than native app, simple to maintain, lower development cost, no need to distribute software to machine that use application, and lastly, update made to the application and immediately available. For the disadvantages is slower performance than native app, unable to work offline, not optimized for a given platform, can't access platform features, and lastly, unable to access UI and match style like native app. So for this slide is hybrid app development. A hybrid app is one that can be downloaded and installed on multiple mobile platforms like Android and iOS. It's built in a way that allows developers to use the same code for all operating systems. WhatsApp is a hybrid app. It uses a web view, a container for web content, embedded within a native app shell. This allows it to leverage existing web development skills and code, making it more cost-effective and faster to develop than a native app. Hybrid apps allow for the use of programming language used frequently by web developers, which is HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, who can thus reuse their knowledge. Okay. For hybrid app advantages is less expensive to sell in App Store, simple to maintenance, lower development costs, allow app to match look of native application and take advantage of their platform UI style. For the disadvantages is slower performance than native app, can't access the feature due to web view restriction, not optimized for given platform. So this is mobile application development life cycle. Actually, the mobile application life cycle have 5 phases, which is planning, design, development, testing, and lastly, deployment and maintenance. So, for phase 1, which is planning, define the project goals and objectives, conduct market research and identify the target audience, create a project plan outlining timeline, resources, and milestones, define the features and functionalities of the mobile apps. For phase 2 is design. What do we do in this phase 2? So in phase 2, we have to develop wireframes and prototypes to visualize the app layout and flow, create the user interface and user experience design, choose the appropriate platform, which is iOS, Android, or both, and design accordingly. Define the app architecture, including database and server requirements. For phase 3 is development. This phase we have to write the code for mobile apps based on their design specification. Use programming language and framework suitable for the chosen platform. Okay, for example, Swift for iOS, Kotlin or Java for Android. Implement the backend server if required and integrate it with the app. Perform regular testing throughout the development process to identify and fix bugs. So this phase we have to create all of these. The planning we just plan and we go for it to create the apps. Okay, for phase 4 we have to test it. Conduct various types of testing including functional, performance, security, and usability testing. Address and fix any issue or bugs. Identify during testing. Test the apps on different devices and screen size to ensure compatibility. Like we have devices like laptop, tablet, phones, smartphones, maybe even TV. So we have to fix it so we can see the the compatibility is the right size for each devices. Lastly, obtain feedback from beta tester and make necessary improvement. So what is beta tester? It's like us, user to test the web. So if any mistake that the developer can improve, they make the necessary improvement. Lastly, phase 5, the deployment and maintenance. Launch the app on the respective app store. For Android is Google Play Store and iPhone is Apple App Store. Monitor user feedback and address any faults post-launch issue promptly. Release updates and new features as needed to enhance the apps. Maybe you want to make an update like make it more wow features for the user when the user use your apps. So we can do the updates to make more users to use our apps, our web. Regularly maintain and support the apps to ensure compatibility with the latest operating system version and devices. So this is also why we update. We have to maintain this. We have to ensure the compatibility with the latest operating system. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.